The 2012 Service Excellence Awards. The awards that recognizes quality, commitment, dedication, integrity and service by civil servants in the various divisions and districts throughout Fiji. Civil servants who work to bring about changes and improvement to government services throughout the year in ensuring that these services answer the needs of people from all walks of life.
We feel very honored to be receiving an award such as this. Has been a few years in a row for us. It's good because it shows, it reflects on the hard work that the staff have put in throughout the year. So to be able to achieve this for yet another year is very much something we treasure.
I think it really speaks a lot that we are able to accept this award not only on behalf of the people that are here in Fiji, but the people all over the world at our missions. This is for them all.
We've been recognized for the award for Clean Up Fiji in 2011. I think it's basically because of the efforts by the ministry in assisting some of the underprivileged institutions.
From providing the needy with basic needs through our food voucher system, to empowering women in rural communities in making a difference.
I need good government. We all need good government.
Wala kani sarai rambai lebna rani matentu rame selime nangalala vaya ranir na kirkiriani ara sotabi mai non rangangande maybe bukivira non ra belaka sa non rambula makatunga melio yana kaya bonga belaka ni sa kawai na matentu veira mena bukira nera mira ni bakavadi na kanan ra bulli matubali wakatalan ke nambula bako.
From environmental sustainability to free education, to enhancing economic and social opportunities for all.
Oh, it's a good relief to the public, man. Very big relief. Very big thanks to the government of Fiji, to this government.
Mr. Bushkan, how are you?
And keeping a well-informed and united Fiji, all targeted towards building a better Fiji for all. Continuous improvement inspired by universal principles of business excellence that prepares today's civil servants to focus on customers while at the same time promoting productivity and efficiency in terms of service delivery to government stakeholders.
Government is our only funding agency, and for the past we have always relied heavily on government, and I think government is working towards achieving at a greater height.
The 2012 Service Excellence Awards, a tradition of working towards service delivery and empowering the people of Fiji.